bubble chew tea, and it's time for another makeup tutorial. I've been wanting to do more makeup related videos, so today I'm gonna recreate a look I posted on Instagram a while ago because people seem to really like it, so I thought I'm gonna show you how I did this kind of love heart makeup. I get inspired by so many other people on Instagram, and I've seen people doing similar looks to this one, but this is just how I did it, so if you want to find out, keep watching. This time when I did this kind of makeup, I also put eyeshadow on my nose, so it's a little bit different from the Instagram version. Oh, and the wig I'm wearing is from Trendywigs. It's called Lala. I'm gonna link all the products in the description, by the way.
I often use liquid lipstick on my eyebrows if I want them more colorful and sharp. Anyway, I've already done the base makeup cause that part is not that fun to watch. I make sure to only fill in a tiny bit at the beginning of my eyebrows cause we don't want them to look too boxy. Meep. To outline them a bit more, I use concealer on a flat brush and apply underneath my brows. I'm doing the voiceover in my boyfriend's recording studio this time, so the sound will be a lot better. Before I apply any eyeshadow, I'm gonna prime my eyelids using my favorite Etude House eye primer and lightly tap with my fingers. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes ever. All the colors are just so pretty and it looks like a rainbow. First, I use the shade Young and Free along the inner corners with a fluffy brush. Then I'm taking Rainbow Life along the crease and outer corner. I also apply the same color underneath my lower lash line. I want a little more glitter, so I'm also gonna use the shade Mystic Rain. I always like to make the inner corners of my eyes pop, so I'm adding a bit of unicorn tears. Yeah, that's actually the name of it. I'm adding the same shade on my brow bone, the tip of my nose, and as highlight on my cheekbones. This may not be the best brush for a highlighter, but I think it works good for me. I like to apply a bit more sparkle at the lower inner corners, so that's what I'ma do. Now it's time for eyeliner. I use this cheap-ass waterproof eyeliner from Essence, but it's one of my favorites. I don't want to draw the line and the wing too thick, but still not too thin, you get me? The mascara I'm using is from the Korean brand Hollica. I'm applying it before putting on false lashes. The eyelashes are from eBay, both the top and the bottom ones, but they're really good. It's really the only lashes I ever use. But you gotta wait for the glue to dry a little bit before attaching them. Always when putting on lower lashes, I cut them apart into 2 or 3 pieces, depending on how many I want, because it's so much easier to attach them. When it comes to the hearts, I'm first drawing 3 hearts on a sheet of paper, and I'll cut them out because I'm gonna glue them temporarily with a tiny bit of eyelash glue so they'll stick to my face where I want the hearts placed. Okay, the hearts are all set. I'll apply the same 2 eyeshadows from the Too Faced palette. At first, I'm taking a bigger brush and lightly tapping to outline the hearts. With an eyeshadow brush, I'm adding more color until it is as vibrant as I wanted. Oh, I also added a bit of the same eyeshadow on my nose. Now I'm taking the same concealer as before with a small pointy brush. I'm basically cleaning up inside the heart so they look more defined. on my lips, I'm applying a lip tint from Etude House. I only use a little product at the center of my lips because I want a more gradient look. The last step is setting spray and the look is done! Yay! I'm not gonna tell you to subscribe to my channel if you don't want to, but if you like this video, I'll be very happy if you subscribe. See you in my next video and bye bye!